The Aleutians are a string of island bases extending over 1,000 miles westward from the Alaskan Peninsula. These islands, the Japs once considered a back door to the United States. But when the door was opened... Oh, we got about incident. And now our back door is a front door to Tokyo. Bountiful Mother Nature has endowed these islands with all the rich variety of weather from her abundant storehouse. In fact, the old bag blew her top. My gracious. Such conditions are almost unbelievable.
Nevertheless, that's the conditions that prevail.
Another factor that complicates life here is the thick, gummy mud peculiar to this region.
I don't mind the mud, but George hates it. Claude don't like it neither.
It often gets quite breezy up here. However, these willy-waws, as they're called, die down as suddenly as they arise. Airstrips present a serious problem. It's almost impossible to keep their surface entirely free of moisture. Life in the Aleutians. But that's the way things are up here. Unbelievable conditions. Unbelievable.
Oh. Nevertheless, that's the conditions that prevail.